Is any one of you looking for an idea using Jenga blocks to create a beauty tray? Then you are coming to the right place. Hello, crafter friends, and welcome to Desert View Studio. My name is Virginia. In this tutorial, I will be making Jenga blocks beauty tray. You will need 40 Jenga blocks for this project. Paint or stain of your choice. 4 wood planks and also 16 square cubes. First, you will glue 2 sets of 2 blocks together into an L shape, and then connect both of them into a square like so. For this project, you will need a total of 8 sets. Step 1. Glue 3 blocks together in this direction, and you will need to use a single piece in between as you are seeing here. And you will be creating 2 sets of 3 blocks. Next, you will glue a single piece of Jenga blocks on both sides. And make sure that you are placing it in the center. Next, you will glue a single square onto both sides. If you are stopping by my channel for the first time, thank you and welcome. Next, you will add another single block on both sides. After that, place the 3 block set onto the top. And here is the close-up look of the frame that we have so far. Step 2. You will glue 4 pieces of wood planks together. Step 3. Glue 8 sets of 2 square cubes together. And then adding the 2 cubes together, creating 4 sets. Stain color that I use here is called weathered oak. Next, I will glue frame onto the base. And then glue the mini legs onto the bottom. Pieces of Jenga blocks are not perfect. When you glue all the pieces together, it will show gaps, as you are seeing here. For this project, you can paint and use any color of your choice, or leave it in the natural color. This wood tray can be used and served in other purposes. Please be mindful that it is a lightweight tray and do not place anything heavy on it. This tray is quick and easy to make. And here is another close-up look of the tray. And here are some ideas that I use the tray for. Please don't forget to go check out my other videos in the playlist. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. Bye for now.